What's going on, everybody? This is Ash from FingerStrong, and I had a weird idea. I was wondering if it's possible to shoot the back of a 12 gauge shotgun shell with a pellet or BB and make this lethal. I did no research on the internet. I just went outside and did it. Had the fellas over for my daughter's birthday party, unicorn birthday party. So I went and grabbed my Beeman's air rifle, 20 caliber pellets, one birdshot shotgun shell, a 13 by 16th drill bit, same size as the shotgun shell, and then I built this little stand here. Pretty basic. Drilled a hole in it. You can see all the holes we shot in it. Set up in the backyard at first at 20 yards, probably 15 yards to be more exact, and we couldn't hit it. So we moved it up about 7 yards. And here's the video. Alright.
And then you close it.
Break it out of our berms. We're going to put this and shoot with a BB gun and see what happens. Alright. And then we're going to shoot from here. This is how long is this? About what? 15 yards? Alright. What are we shooting here?
You know how to cock it? Match pellets.
Match pellets. See, break those up.
Yeah, it worked that time. Shoot it. Hey, what's up with that rebar right there? You hit it.
I believe in you.
You just gonna get it ready to look at it?
No.
Here we go, right here.
So I loaded after you miss.
I mean, there's nothing but wood behind it, but you actually hit the plank. So I'm proud of you.
Yes.
I don't know if any of us is going to be able to hit that.
I told y'all.
I think Braco was the closest one. Now the old man's getting ready to try. So let's switch views. Well, it wasn't working there. So now we got it right here. And flip the board around. That's all the misses. Hey, quit being lazy.
Every time we fire, you gotta aim a little bit low, and it doesn't go down as much. So.
Ooh. Hit it, man! You almost.
Something reflected, hit that tree up there.
Yeah.
Did y'all hear that? Yeah! Yeah!
I guess it's
And the winner is
Andrew. You just could have won a whole bunch of money.
If somebody was standing here, would that have killed you?
I don't think so.
Oh, you smacked it. Absolutely.
Dead
Yeah, right on it.
center.
Yep.
It's possible.
All right, here we go.
So now it can't fly forward.
Here's the second attempt. What we got set up here.
We're gonna suck again.
That's alright.
It's gonna be like the 30-second shot. Guarantee it.
Ye of little faith. We're professionals here.
No, you ain't.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we got one line. No.
7 yards. Here we go.
So about shotgun
It's about 7 yards.
shell.
No.
Oh!
2 in a row.
That was a
a lot better.
that was a good shot.
That was a lot better.
You got me in the eyes. Oh, it bursted. It bursted. It bursted.
Primer couldn't come out.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
That's
Okay.
what I'm talking about.
Now,
My man,
since we
my
know that
man.
he can shoot it, put it beside it so that we can see
Hey, didn't I hit it right
what
there?
happens.
No. No, you hit it.
No, he hit it right there. Come on, man.
Since we know that he can shoot it, put the camera beside it now so that we
Yeah,
can see
I
what
heard it.
happens.
Not bad for a 5-year-old girl unicorn rainbow party.
For real.
Making exploding some
Nice.
shot 12 ounce or 12 gauge shot.
Well, there we go. Little backyard experiment here.
That we